Hello, this is Reno with RCtarget, and I'm going to show you our CVD pin replacement tool, part number IGTA00T15. So we all have CVDs that we can reuse. Most of the times the inner part of the CVD looks very good, but we have the pin that is worn out. One thing I want to say before we start showing how this tool works is that you have to make sure that the inner part of the CVD is still in good shape, that is not oval in the inside. If that's the case, you'll want to replace the whole CVD. You don't want to just replace the pin. But in this case, we have a CVD that it's pretty good shape, but the pin is worn out, and that's what we're going to show right now. The first thing we want to do is we want to grab this part of the tool. You put the pin, the part of the pin inside. It has a hole. And we're going to calibrate how deep the pin is going to go in. So we put this part, the one that doesn't have the pin, screw it in until it reaches the bottom. There it's sitting. You have to make sure it's sitting, which is kind of hard to do with the camera. We're trying here. And that's where it reaches the bottom. Now, this one is already calibrated, but if not, we're going to do it over. We're going to loosen this screw. So this is free. And it goes all the way in. And then you screw this one until it touches. And you tighten the screw that this nut has. Why we do this? This will make sure that when we put a new pin, it goes even in both sides. That's why we do this before we change the pin. So I'm going to take this out. We'll use this ratchet to take it out. Okay. And we're going to put the other tool that has kind of a pin in it already. This we use it to remove the pin. So we put it in. We use the ratchet that comes with the tool. And this is pushing the pin out. You can see the pin there coming out. But it's not going to come out all the way. Once we reach, and you cannot tighten it anymore, you take this tool out. And you put a new pin. You can find these pins in our website. We have it for all the different cars we have. You put the pin in the tool. Remember the tool that we just adjust the nut in, and then you put them in. You do it this way so that the pin doesn't come out. I hope the camera can show how the pin is in there. And now, with the ratchet, we're going to put it in. I'm going to try to show it there in the camera. As the pin comes in, it's pushing the old one out. That's completely in. We take the old pin out. We unscrew this tool. And we should have a pin that has been replaced. As you can see, it's even in both sides because we adjusted with this before we did everything. And that's about it. Then you have a new CVD. I hope you like the video. As I said, we have pins for all the different cars we sell, for sedan, 8 scale, and GT, buggy, well, of course, e-buggy and the electric versions of each car. And thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you guys soon at the track. Thank you.